Hey friends, welcome to Explan Products. Kids are some of the most creative, intelligent people in the world. Robots for kids provide them with an outlet to explore their creativity and intelligence in new ways. Education robots can help children explore their creativity with a wide array of different activities like drawing, sculpting, painting, designing and more. Education robot toys are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best education robots for kids from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Learning Resources Botley The Coding Robot 2.0. Coding toys for kids, code right out of the box with the next generation of our Toy of the Year winning coding robot. Discover 16 fun interactions, transform Botley 2.0 into a train, police car, ghost, and more. Expanded Coding Styles features expanded coding styles, code through music, lights, and movements. Super STEM skills, from science and technology to engineering and math, STEM learning help kids build critical thinking and other skills they need for success in school and beyond. A brighter back-to-school, school supplies, make this the smartest back-to-school yet with toys and tools from Learning Resource trusted by teachers and parents alike since 1984. Number 2. Educational Insights Artie 3000 The Coding and Drawing Robot. Spark more curiosity. Artie 3000 The Coding Robot is the fun and artistic way to introduce curious kids to the power of programming. Art meets coding in Artie 3000, kids create the code and Artie 3000 draws the lines on paper. With pre-programmed designs, beginners can start coding right away, learning to code everything from tic-tac-toe boards to artistic masterpieces. Simple setup. With Artie 3000's built-in Wi-Fi server, no internet connection is required. Kids plug their own tablet or computer, not included, in Artie 3000 and follow step-by-step instructions to start programming in minutes. Perfect for beginner and advanced coders. Start coding with Artie's pre-programmed designs. Visit Artie's website for even more codes, then learn to write your own Botley, Snappy, Python, or JavaScript code using Artie 3000's drag-and-drop, remote control, and point-and-click functions. What's included? Artie 3000 Robot, for washable markers, quick start guide, and activity cards, requires 4 AA batteries, not included. New coding downloads available on the Artie 3000 website. Safe and secure. No internet connection required. Artie 3000 includes a built-in Wi-Fi server and does not collect any data of any kind. Number 3. MIP Arcade Interactive Self-Balancing Robot. The all-new, award-winning self-balancing interactive robot, packed with fun and games, personality, and cool dance moves. 20+ app-enabled games and RC modes, plus bonus screen-less games. Challenge friends and family with multiplayer arcade games like Basketball vs. and Tray Pancake Stack. Who will win? Brain train games, test your mind, memory, and reflexes. Includes games like Reaction Game, Padlock, Color Match, and Shake Shake. Hope you enjoy this video. Make sure you click down below. Subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell.